good morning. I feel like I'm in the talk, so I don't know. But to be honest, this mic is a savior for now, right now, because there's a construction going on and I just can't film anything. And I have to use this mic, and this is helping a bit for me so that you guys won't get irritated just like me from the background noise. So yes guys, good morning, welcome to my vlog. I'm vlogging kind of my day after such a long time. I just woke up. Yes, I woke up late because I was working late last night because I was editing my video. I was done around I think 1 or 2. So I just woke up. So now I'll drink my coffee and I'll make tea for my mom, and after that I have a long day planned ahead. I'll just continue with my vlog and watch this vlog till the end, and I'll see you guys after some time. This is my mic, guys. This is the length. This is the wire of my mic. This is so long and helpful. And yeah, I've changed my room a bit. I'm not liking this much, but I will change it again later. And officially, Sikkim is really cold, and I'm using 2 blankets. You can see that. And here I have a mess right there. And that is my box from last night that I ate. Tripti's croissant were there, chocolate croissant were there, and I ate it. And yeah, and here I am. So I'll just quickly go and make some tea for my mom. Mommy, cha खानु न उठेर खानु न प्लिज खाइहाल्नु न प्लिज खाइहाल्नु न प्लिज खाइहाल्नु न प्लिज हो प्लिज हो Just connected with my internet. She is my best friend, Fudoma, aka Yaku, and yes. So yes guys, today I'm uploading a Bannick haul, so please go and check it out. तपाईहरुलाई भन्नु म कति अल भिडियो हाल्दैछु, सो हेर्दिनुस् ल. त्यो पछाडि दिदैछ, that is also for haul. कहिले आएको सामान हो, to be honest, हैन, but still I'm here to make videos, so आउँछ बिस्तारै आउँछ, डल्लै आउँछ, don't mind. I just received my parcel from Nykaa, so let's check it out. Seriously guys, I thought that this will be big, but it is just 10 wipes. But yeah, it is travel friendly, which is good. I'm just done getting ready guys. Yes, I'm filming one haul video for you all, so you guys can guess that which haul video that I'm filming for you also, and do let me know in the comment box below. And yes guys, before we move forward, I just wanted to share some amazing products with you all, because as we all know that it's not that you guys only face all the skincare problem, but it also happens to me, you know. But during this trial and error, I come to know about these amazing skincare products by this brand called Dermaco. And I'm in love with these products guys. So I quickly show you guys that how these products have been a game changer for my skin, you know.
So every morning before starting my day, I use the 2% Kojic acid cream. I cleanse and wash my face nicely, and then I apply a generous amount of this cream, especially on most blemished and pigmented part of my face. I make sure to massage it gently in circular motions and give my skin some time to soak it all in. Every night after cleansing my face thoroughly, I use the 2% Kojic acid serum by applying 3 or 5 drops of it on my face and extending it to the neck area as well. And then I just massage it gently until the serum gets absorbed.
Honestly, after included these products in my daily skincare, my blemishes and dark spots have lightened significantly thanks to Kojic acid present in both the products, and I'm loving my clear, glowy and natural skin. Always do a patch test before trying the product. It is recommended to use the serum at night and the cream in the daytime. And always remember to use broad spectrum sunscreen before heading outside. And we also know that everyone's skin is different, hence skincare is different for everyone and extremely personal. So if you want to know what type of skincare products that you should use, the Dermaco has a feature called the Skincare Assessment Test, where people can feed in the information about their skin, and the platform helps by recommending products based on the skin type and the concern. Also, all new products launched by the Dermaco are fragrance free, and Dermaco is designed by dermatologists. You can also purchase products from the Dermaco, and you can use my coupon code DINA20 on their website and you'll get 20% discount. But remember that this code is only applicable on their website. The Dermaco products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa, so you can also purchase it from here. The links to the products are in the description box below. Go and check it out, and make sure to use my code DINA20 if you're buying the product from their website, that is DINA2020. So make sure to use this product and enjoy the 20% discount, guys. This discount is only for you guys. So now I'll just quickly go and film my haul video, and I'll see you guys after some time, because after that I have to go and take out my wedding dress as well. Not my wedding, my cousin's wedding. So I have to check it out because I have to leave tomorrow early in the morning, so I don't have time. And after that also I have to go for the dinner with my friends. So yes guys, watch this video till the end. Guys, I'm all ready for my dinner today, and here's my OTD, and this is my new bag that I bought from Miniso. It is really pretty. Can you see? It's really pretty. I'm in love with this color, and here I am. So I'll see you guys once I reach the venue. Bye bye. Bye bye. Did Yeah, exactly. This is what I do once after I'm done with getting ready. See you guys. Bye bye. Hi, Vandana.
अबुको ट्रिट हेर्यो अबुले कहिले ट्रिट दिएको छैन है हामीलाई
सोधन आइफोनहरु राख्छ भने कति गरेर एक दुई दुईटाले त राख्छ
Say hi, Ben. Hi.
नमस्कार के भन्दै उनीहरु
Benjamin,
खेली गरेर
Nikita, Abraham. Rest is yet to come. Hello. Raju Didi.
हेलो
Hello. Ute hello भन्दै थियो. Hi, Ansha. Go on, Benjamin, go on. Yes, you. Bye. 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 कतिजना? Bye bye. Boom boom. I just vlog you. Eh, but you. Going back now. Now going bhayna जानु पर्यो. People, bye bye.
Guys, we are going to Bachin now.
So guys, I thought that I will cut my hair, but unfortunately the parlor was closed, so I couldn't. So I'm here waiting for my mom and other family members, drinking coffee, and we're about to leave for Darjeeling, and I'm waiting for them. I just reached and the house is full with people. I don't think I will be able to vlog because there are like lots and lots of people all over the place. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys after some time, or maybe I don't know. We quickly came out from our wedding house and we are here to shop. We are on our way to Chaurasta, so I have my brother here with me. There's a live performance happening here in Chaurasta, guys. What's it, sir? Nani?
Itu ऐसा
just checked in. Let's see. Guys, I reached hotel just now, so we all are staying in the hotel, and so now I'll end my video here and I'll continue my video tomorrow. So the wedding vlog will be different, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Now it's time to say goodbye, so you know that right. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.